Greetings, everyone. Welcome to this exciting tutorial where we're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating realm of transforming plain text into captivating and visually stunning videos, all at absolutely no cost, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. In the next few moments, you'll discover the magic of crafting compelling narratives and engaging content that comes to life right before your eyes, leaving you with awe-inspiring videos that are bound to capture your audience's imagination. Whether you're an aspiring content creator, an educator looking to bring lessons to life, or simply someone with a story to tell, this tutorial will equip you with the skills to create video content that shines brilliantly in the digital landscape. So, let's dive in and unravel the secrets of this innovative process. We'll navigate through the intricacies of harnessing the incredible capabilities of AI technology, guiding you step by step as you craft your own visual masterpiece. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be armed with the knowledge to effortlessly transform mere text into a mesmerizing symphony of images, animations, and information. Prepare to be amazed as we demystify the world of video creation and empower you with the tools to turn your words into a dynamic and enchanting audiovisual experience. Buckle up, because the realm of limitless creativity awaits you, and together, we're about to set sail on a voyage that will forever change the way you perceive and create videos. Let's get started. Step number 1. Login or sign up to Lumen 5. Open your web browser and navigate to the Lumen 5 website. If you're a returning user, click on the Login button and enter your credentials. If you're new to Lumen 5, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Step number 2. Access the video creation section. Upon logging in, you'll likely be directed to your dashboard. Look for a prominent option like Create New Video or Start a Project. Step number 3. Choose a template. Lumen 5 offers a variety of templates designed for different types of content. Browse through the template library and find one that suits your video's purpose. As you're focusing on essential facts about cats, select a template that's informative and visually appealing. Step number 4. Select video size or format. Within the template selection process, you may have the opportunity to choose the size or format of your video. Opt for a resolution that aligns with your preferred platform, example, 1080p for general use or square for social media. Step number 5. Choose text-to-video or voiceover. In this step, decide whether you want the AI to generate visuals based on your text or if you prefer to add a voiceover. Given your topic, you can choose the text-to-video option. Step number 6. Add script or information. Once you've selected your preferences, you'll enter the script or information for your video. Introduce each of the 10 essential facts about cats, providing concise and clear descriptions for each fact. You can format the script with headings or bullet points for easier visualization. Step number 7. Customize your video. Lumen 5's customization options allow you to enhance your video's visual and auditory appeal. Add media. For each fact, consider including relevant images, GIFs, or video clips that illustrate the information. Voiceover and music, if you're using a voiceover. Record your narration and ensure it complements the visuals. You can also add background music to enhance the mood of the video. Visual elements, customize the font style, size, color, and alignment to match your video's tone. Experiment with transitions, animations, and overlays to make your video engaging. Step number 8. Preview and edit. Before finalizing your video, take advantage of the preview feature. Watch the video from start to finish to ensure that the timing of animations, transitions, and text is appropriate. Make any necessary adjustments or edits to enhance the flow and coherence of the content. Step number 9. Initiate rendering. Once you're satisfied with the video's preview, initiate the rendering process. This step involves the AI generating the visuals and compiling the components into a complete video. Depending on the complexity, This process may take some time. Step number 10. Download and share. Once the rendering is complete, you'll receive a notification indicating that your video is ready for download. Click on the provided link or button to download the video file to your device. With the downloaded video file, you can now upload it to various platforms, such as social media, your website, or video sharing platforms, to share your informative content about essential facts about cats. Thank you for joining us today. For more tutorials, please like the video and consider subscribing. Also, let us know in the comments section down below what tutorials you want to see in the future. Thanks for watching.